Njoroge. Today I'm going to be doing a pre-market analysis for Monday, 9th February 2026. I'm going to start on a daily time frame, which is the highest time frame. So I'm doing this to get the direction of the week or the month. So as you saw for the last few days, we have been bearish, but we formed a volume imbalance here, which price ended up closing above it, telling us that we're now changing the trend into a bullish market. Again, it retraced back into the volume imbalance, then formed a retro block here, and then retraced above it, and then moved away using it was pushed by the volume imbalance into a bullish market, right? So we got two directions here. One says that we are going to be bearish using this bearish retro block, and the other one is saying that we are going to be bullish using this volume imbalance. Those are the two black holes that are prominent in this market right now. So until price closes below this low, then we are on a bearish, then we are on a bullish market, since we are using this volume imbalance as a PDR to push price higher to these highs. Why am I saying so? Because also on a daily time frame, this is based on the high time frame, which is, if I base my analysis on the daily time frame, to be honest, without any biasness, I might say we are on a bearish market. I'm waiting for the first retracement candle to form. Let me watch if the first retracement candle formed inside this candle. We just annotate it with an arrow down there. Oh no, it's inside this one. Inside that zone. So I want to see if the first retracement candle formed inside that zone and how price behaved with it. So I'm going to move to the H4 time frame. I'm watching inside this candle. Oh yeah, we surely got one. Let me move to the daily time frame and annotate the low. Just and mark the low of this candle right there, so that I'll be watching it, how price responded to it. So let's move to the H4 time frame, and our low is here. This is the low. Price jumped in through here from the first retracement candle, closed above it. So we have no doubt that we are on a bullish market. This is the bullish market. We have no doubt. So we are on a bullish market, and that's according to the daily time frame analysis. Now we are going to move into the H1 time frame analysis, and on the H1 time frame, what we're seeing here is we are seeing price closing above this high, forming a change of character, or a change in the state of the market delivery, which means that we are now changing the direction from a bearish market into a bullish market. So the daily, the 4-hour, and the 1 hour are now in confluence, and then it formed this green zone here, which is the bullish breaker block, and price, after closing above it right here using this candle, to retraced back and exploded out of it, right? So on Monday, I'm just expecting price to move higher and higher and higher. So my first target will be this high here, this one, since it is close to negative 50% of the Fibonacci retracement tool. And what else? So on Monday, I'm expecting the market to move on Monday because since we don't have any high impact news. And what else? And the trend is bullish. I'm really high confident on Monday. So again, that was the trend analysis. So now I'm doing I think I've already done the fundamental analysis, saying that there is no any high impact news. So that means we are now moving to do the price cycle analysis, which is analyzing the sessions and how price will move. So according to the previous days, we are in a trending market. So that means we are out of a ranging market. That means Monday will not. There are low chances of Monday having being a ranging day or an accumulating day. Again, on Monday, on Friday we had Asian session, but it wasn't expected. I'm sorry. So on Friday we had Asian session distributing, though it wasn't expected. I was expecting Asian session to accumulate, then London to distribute, but Asian session distributed, and I'm yet to find the logic as to why it distributed on Asia on Friday. So, and we had London accumulating and then a shallow distribution in New York. So this tells us that since we had London accumulating and we had a shallow distribution in New York, we will have Asia of Monday 9th 2020 February 2026 distributing. I think this is one of the most accurate pre-market analysis I've ever done. It's so detailed. So I got no reason for it to fail. So let me just exclude these things I've done. They're just noise. I'm already done with them. And delete the arrow is kind of confusing. So yeah, I think I'm also done with the Fibonacci. So what else have I not talked about? So this is a very high value setup. So on Monday at 2 a.m. on Monday, tomorrow, 9th February, you'll see me here and I'll be executing. So we expect the market to be bullish. That's the first thing we expect. We expect Asia tomorrow to move, and then we expect the market to move because we don't have any high impact news. What else? I think it's a very high confident trade. So yeah, I think I'm through. So see you then when I'll be doing the on market analysis. So bye bye and be safe.